Model, 2007 Ford Transit 350 medium wheelbase, diesel rear-wheel drive high-roof van TDCi 100ps MOTED bargain 2.4 engine smiling face with open hands best transit engines kissy face. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 139747. MOT, 19 September 2024. Engine, 2401 cc TDCi 100ps DURATORQ-B. Transmission, 5-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Data motor will need replacing, runs perfect. Lifters are faulty and will need replacing, Cyclinder and camshafts have been checked, look all good. Grin gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is average. Interior is below average. Rear load area is below average. Features, 2 former keepers, electric windows, 3 keys. EU status.